What's up, YouTube? This is the Barber Illuminati. One more time with another fresh one. In today's video, we're doing a basic ABC high skin fade. This video is being recorded at Marvelous Beauty and Barber School in Waukegan, Illinois. We are not hard to find. Shout out to Cuss from Custom Barbershop in Jacksonville, Florida. What's up? Shout out to Mendy, the real Miss Universe from out of Ghana. What's up? Let's go! Today, I have with me here the perfect canvas. Oh my God. Wow. Shout out to Tico Cuts, the only Filipino barber in the world. What's up? All right. This video is going to be fast and effective. All right, let me adjust my camera, my lighting, then we're going to get to work. We are not going to touch the top. We are not going to line him up. He doesn't do any of that stuff. He's only interested in the skin fade, that's it. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. Much better. This video will be performed with all detachable blades, by the way. Gentlemen, I'm recording here. All right, I'm getting ready to create my first guideline with the OA blade, as usual. Triple zero into the OA. As you can see, this time I did not create a big guideline. Because it's not necessary. Congratulations to Tico Cuts in advance for completing the 1,500-hour program at Marvelous Beauty and Barber School, for trusting me with his barber career. Now he's not beasting, he is the beast. He don't do beast mode anymore. Him and the beast become one. By the way, this is a 5-0. Below the 000. So far I did OA, 000, 50. I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same steps quickly to make sure my blend is clean. From time to time I repeat the steps when it's called for. And this is one of those times. Triple 0 once more. Below the OA. Yes, I've been having a lot of not so positive reaction on the channel from a few people. Some people are happy that I'm doing adjustable now. Some people are not. But the channel has to evolve. Yes, the channel is still an all adjustable blade channel, but as need be, when need be, I will do a few haircuts with adjustable blades, just for variety's sake, and that's that. It's just what I have to do to grow the channel, and I will do just that. Yes, some of the subscribers don't like that all that much. But changes is inevitable. You got to change. You got to grow. You got to try new things. I'm telling you. Yes, I'm using the slim line to thoroughly remove the bottom line. Then we're going to move on to the next guideline, which I'm going to be doing with the 1.5 blade. We're almost done here. Alright, I'm going to add a little bit of that shaver. I'm going to cut the line out of there quickly. Very smooth. If you find yourself doing that, very smooth. You got to be very smooth. You don't want to add too much pressure on this part. You got to be very light with your touch. Very light with your touch. Boom. Alright, I'm going to move on to the 1.5 guideline. Here we go. This is the 1.5. One A, below the 1.5. Get in there. As you can see, my strokes are very short. There's not a whole lot of room. Then the 1, below the 1A. Then the OA below the 1. Nice and easy. I don't need to get too excited with my hands at this time. Nice and easy. Then a little bit of that 000. Boom. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same steps, starting with the 1.5 one last time, then we'll be done here. Yes, I still have the 1.5 on. One A. Get in there. Then the 1. Then the OA below the 1. Look nice and soft. Easy, easy. Just the corners. Then I'm going to add the 000 very lightly. doing a small detail in the bottom portion of the blend, making sure everything is crispy clean. A little bit of 5-0, very light, nothing dramatic. All right, I'm gonna tidy up the C-cup just a little bit. Then we're gonna move on. All right, I'm gonna add a light clip over comb right above the blend, nothing fancy, very lightly. All right, YouTube, this is the cut. If you watched the video all the way this far, you really are a true fan. I appreciate you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Also, for additional content, please feel free to look me up on Instagram. Barber Illuminati.